Stuck with a dead Ford Ranger in your driveway? Let's break down what could be causing it. When your Ford Ranger doesn't start, it can feel frustrating, but the most common reasons are actually pretty simple. First, check the battery. Is it old or dead? If your lights are dim or nothing happens when you turn the key, a weak battery might be the culprit. Next, listen for a clicking sound. If you hear clicks but the engine won't turn over, your starter might have a problem. Now, think about fuel. If you're low on gas, yes, it happens. Or if the fuel pump isn't working, your engine won't get what it needs to start. Another common issue is the ignition switch. If turning the key feels weird or loose, this small part could be stopping your truck from firing up. Also, check your key. Modern Rangers use coded keys, so if the chip is damaged, your truck might not recognize it. Finally, don't forget about fuses and wiring. Sometimes a blown fuse or loose wire can keep your Ranger from starting. So, to sum up, battery, starter, fuel, ignition, key, and fuses. Check these first before calling for help. With a little patience, you can get back on the road in no time. Don't let a dead Ranger ruin your day.